How to solve ear speaker not working in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on accessibility, and in hearing section click on hearing devices, and if you turn this button off, then turn this button on. After turning this button on, go back to home screen and swipe down control center. If you turn on Bluetooth, then turn off Bluetooth. After turning off Bluetooth, your ear speaker will be work properly, and if it doesn't work, make sure you clean your speaker with soft cloth or tissue. After cleaning speaker, your ear speaker will be work properly. And if it doesn't work, fix, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your ear speaker will be work properly. Thanks for watching this video.